Hey, what's up? This is DuttyBerry and I'm here at the Jamaica Pegasus Hotel at the Jamaica Gleaner Honors Awards. I don't really fully have an idea what it is. All I know, I am bound to probably be the youngest person here. So let's go check it out. Alright, so this is DuttyBerry and I'm here at the Gleaner Honors Awards. Could you fill me in, like, give me an idea exactly what it's about?
Well, basically what happens is that the Gleaner seeks to honor persons in different categories each year.
Yeah.
Just in terms of the contribution that they make to the nation. Mm-hmm. So you may have entertainment, business, culture, whatever. Yeah. So today is about the recipients, the winners, being presented with awards.
Okay.
And they do this annually.
Alright, awesome. I know I want you to show off your outfit. I can't just leave. I don't even show off your outfit. Yeah. So see here, hold on, see there, yes. Turn around, you can show off the outfit, but see there, looking lovely. And always ever young. You're very in tune in terms of, you know, caring for like the younger generation. What do you make of what is happening to like the young girls these days? You know, the kidnapping, the rapes, the abuse. What do you think about that situation?
Well, we know as people of faith, we know that we're not wrestling against flesh and blood, but it's a spiritual negative force at work, and that's where we come in as people of faith to counteract it in prayer and in our things that we do to help bring transformation to the lives of those youngsters. And therefore, Fun in the Sun is one of those vehicles that we do annually or biannually to reach out, to bring change into the lives as we go into the schools. And as you know, we close with a huge concert. Yeah.
You know my favorite song? I was listening, I was listening to it 2 weeks ago. The one that watch Still Water. Blue Water, yes.
Blue Water.
Blue Water, yes.
I see the beauty in his eyes. Blue.
Yeah. There's that. And my memory is bad, and let me see, I hope I'm getting it right. You were in New Kingston. And it was like an upbeat song. It was an up-tempo. Yeah. Hallelujah. Glory, glory. Glory to the house of the Glory to the house of the Yes.
Okay, DuttyBerry.
May I learn no.
We are ambassadors for Christ.
I was close. Alright, take care. Alright, so apparently now I need to go and find my table. It is number 11. I have no idea where that might be. But just let's see how this entire process goes. So I kind of just found my table. It's number 11, I can't hold on. It's number 11 and it's right here. But I'm just kind of excited to see who else fills it out. So.
The Honorable Mr. Justice Carl Harrison, retired judge of the Court Commission of the Electoral Commission of Jamaica.
Alright, so now it is lunchtime. I have no idea what this we get to eat. What is it?
It's bread and tomato with organic greens, so you can eat that.
Yeah, bread and tomato. Yeah, because I'm trying this low carb thing. I don't know. Yeah, the bread. With the organic what?
With organic greens.
Okay, let's try it. Watch over this stuff go. Watch it. Watch here. Watch here. What?
Hi.
Hey, it's my favorite lady at JPS.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm great. Hi.
How are you feeling an award?
I'm feeling great on behalf of my team.
Yeah.
Really, a lot of technology we're able to implement this year for growth and prosperity of Jamaica and for our customers. So we're thrilled with this award. We're looking forward to 2017.
I'm loving the promotion with Tanto.
Yes.
Like how me and your friend, you were at the Powerful Men and Women, you know, you did that dancing queen and I was there.
It's all about everybody.
So I'm asking as a good friend, can I have one of the electric cars? You know,
They don't give me electric cars.
This is for her excellent double gold medal performance in the 100 meters and 200 meter sprints at the Games of the 31st Olympiad in Rio, Brazil. Who could have forgotten, especially the 200 meters final, that she made Daphne Skipper's swim? Mr. Biles' formula for success is simple. He says he just does his work every day and surrounds himself with people who are smarter than him, with whom he can share his
YouTube, so now I'm with Miss Celia Lynn. You said it right?
That's right.
Okay. Okay. Looking ever fresh as usual. Why is this award important to you?
Oh, it's important to us at NCD because, and to me personally, because I'm so pro-education.
Yeah.
Every youth in Jamaica should have a chance at education.
So with Andrew? Okay.
I went to my food.
No, I know. I go there the last time I went because I'm trying this healthy thing. I had the $250 green juice.
Yes.
The green juice, and boy, I do.
Hey, bomb, right?
It's good, but I do the healthy something. I prefer have something else from Ireland. Go. Anything new for 2017?
Yes,
new stores, new locations.
Bay, we will have another one, but we're coming out with another healthy juice.
Oh wow.
Yes,
I'm not.
soon.
Oh gosh, man, please don't make it green.
No, it will be ready orange.
Oh yes, good.
Okay.
Yeah, the green color, it just does something to me.
Okay.
Okay, all right, take care, all right?
Thanks for
No problem.
having a chat with me.
All right, no
Take
problem.
care.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's not forget what we're talking about. So when he won the class 400 meters in 45.35, turning back Jermaine Gonzalez in 2003, then he followed up 19.93 in the Bahamas as a teenager, the world junior title. He has went on to win 22 global titles. And let's not forget, 2 silver medals in Osaka in 2007. I remember that interview to this day. He said, I was waiting to see if Tyson Gay would crack. He finished second and also second on the sprint relay. He then went on to win 9 Olympic gold medals, 11 world championship gold medals, 6 individual gold medals, 7 individual world championship medals, 13 overall, for a grand total of 22 global titles. Usain Bolt is the winner. And we'll have a special presentation. Yes. Do you? Yes.
1, 2, 3. Testing?
Yes.
No? Nobody can hear?
Yes.
Good. Well, you know what happened now.
This is. Let me give this to you. I think you're gonna need this, Usain.
This is like treble or something like that. Continue to treble. And you know, we were sitting down and we were saying, alright, so we want it again. So what we're going to do? Mr. Barnes, you're going to sit down and interview him. I said, no, you said I suck at interviewing. And I should keep at my job. So we tried to come up with something pretty unique. So, Mr. Bolt, I'd like you to read this in script. Well, first of all, ladies and gentlemen. Good. Oh, I'd like you to read that. in 9.6.
Presented by the Gleaner Company, Media Limited, to Mr. Wesley Bolt and Mrs. Jennifer Bolt. Honorable Usain, Stefflon, Board, OJ, LLB, Honorable 2016.
So ladies and gentlemen, I want
You don't care about me.
Special presentation goes to Mr. Wesley Bolt and Mrs. Jennifer Bolt, parents of the living legend, Dr. And now for the main presentation, completing the triple treble, the 2016 Man of the Year, Dr. the Honorable Usain Bolt, to receive his presentation from Mr. Christopher Barnes, Chief Operating Officer of the...
Chairman, Mr. Daniel Ferrain, and the members of the selection committee, recipients, we thank Puma for allowing us to use the beautiful tribute, our video production team, and the
You seeing?
Yeah.
2 awards this, so much 2 awards is in that space about three days.
Yeah, man.
So you win for celebrity role model,
Yeah.
you never did it.
Yeah.
Someone if you give your speech now, how would you like it?
Listen,
Yeah.
I want to thank everybody for voting for me.
Yeah.
I try to be the best role model I possibly can. And I always try to dress right too. I feel like I need to get best dressed on something.
Oh, so
we won't
next
get
year,
into that.
so
but
2017, him say more to get best dress.
Yeah, look how
so
much
make
we-
sure so they put it in.
Yeah.
Alright, which dance now you think around the place right now? Because I know you're someone you always try to keep up with the dance name.
try
You,
my
you
best.
catch the yang something yet?
Yeah, now I look at thing.
You try a little piece and see if it actually reach if that go on. Yeah, it needs some work, boy. Need some work. Yeah, tour too much. What we can expect for you? What we can expect for you?
Right
2017,
now.
yeah.
Carnival life.
Oh yeah, see you later, man.
Like a carnival,
Yeah,
like a track and field.
yeah.
From foundation work. Yeah, the light and nice, it's true.
Yeah, the light your body.
Yeah.
Alright,
Yes.
what does wealth mean to you?
Wealth.
Yeah.
Wealth is all about opportunity, you know. That's how I look at it. Wealth gives you opportunity.
Yeah.
Better to help other people and that. So.
You're not partaking of something, they look at the alkaline popcorn, something there.
No.
You never there watch, you never did think so one, they kind of, you know, nothing about that. Yeah. Okay.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh, okay. All right, pick up yourself, boy. Alright, so that's it, the Gleaner Honors Awards. It is over, it is finished. Mwanga me Jesus. Yeah, I'm party for the day. Why not turn around? How did you feel? We both came out to the top awards. Top male, top female. How did you feel about you win?
Wonderful, it felt great.
It was amazing, you know? Look how me about the third Kartel now. Oh, your mother's supposed to come pick you up. You know, like when Penny left for school, and them a try wait for their mother. Say, I turn on the social media and back talk, watch it. Watch growth, Dora.
So here's the thing. I normally look like Terrence when I go to the office.
Yeah.
Flats, blazers, and flats, right?
Yeah.
I showed up looking like Kartel instead of Terrence. Only thing.
Backpack.
I carried in a backpack.
No, look on the dress on the laptop. I bet you never see a Miss Jamaica like this. Alright, take care.
Actually.
Yeah, it's on YouTube. Yeah.